Hey, if you want to enable power saving mode on your Realme C67, first you have to open the settings, and then scroll down, go into the battery, and now scroll and open the power saving mode. From here, you can turn on the power saving mode by clicking on this icon. And now this function is turned on. When you turn it on, you can actually find this information on the battery percentage that your indicator switched from the red to orange. So it means that it is actually turned on. From here, you can also automatically turn off the power saving mode when your battery is charged above 90%. And also we can turn it on and specify battery level. So that's really useful. For example, each time your phone is going to hit 30% of the battery, the power saving mode will be automatically turned on. From here, you can also find some default optimization to increase the life of your battery. And as you can see from here, you can also find the super power saving mode. So this function will be definitely increase the power, increase the time of using your device. And yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.